Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress site with Bluehost hosting. So first of all, you want to click on Get Started on Bluehost, and here you can choose a plan which is the most suitable for you. So if you are having just one website, then you can actually select this one. But basically just read the features of these. I'm just going to select this one because I'm just using it for a video. Now they will try to upsell something else for you. Now, if you don't have a domain, then you can create here and buy it, or you can use your own domain. So I'm just going to do that. And now you can create an account with it. So let me do that also. Now, once you're done setting up your account, you will see this pop-up, log into WordPress, and basically you can now create a website. So log into it. Now you will see these options: AI website creator, guided configuration, or hire a pro. So maybe you already have a WordPress site you want to import or following a tutorial. I'm just going to use AI to see how it will look like. So let's create it with AI. So I'm just going to write something like so that they would create a website for my YouTube channel. Now, connect a Facebook account, or you can skip for now if you don't want to. Now, do you have a logo? So I'm just going to upload my logo here. It may be not the best, but let's leave it like that. So how familiar you are. So I'm just going to do a beginner one just for this video. Now, they just created free versions of it, so you can see how they look like. Let's maybe choose this one. And now you can actually customize it. So like that, you can create a website fairly quickly. And yeah, of course, we will need to change the images, but basically that's how it looks like. Now we can customize it. And for example, change the fonts and many other things. Pick your colors. So maybe you don't like, you can pick your own colors actually, but I'm just gonna use these. As you can see, you can pick your own. Now, this is the fonts, and that's that. Now I'm just gonna save it. After everything, you can edit everything and so on, or whatever you like. Now, once you saved and continued, now you can add your store info, connect your payment processor, set up the shipping options, configure tax settings, and add a product and some other tasks. So you can either start by posting pages, for example, like about you page, but let's add our store info now. Now, once you've done the store details, you go to payments here, and you can actually connect PayPal, where they support, as you can see, a lot of options for people to buy your product. Or you can also use Stripe, Razorpay, and some offline payments. So maybe you're using Stripe, it's also great. They have a Klarna, for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many more. So you choose your option and you connect your payments. Now, when I go to my website, I can actually edit it or customize it. So let's edit it. Now, once you are on edit page here, and you click right here, styles, you can actually browse the styles and change the appearance of your website. So for example, if we choose this one, it will look like so. But yeah, for this video, I'm just gonna leave it like so. I really like it. You can change the colors, as you can see, and some layout. But mostly you would need to edit everything. So home, about, portfolio, blog, services, or for example, YouTube. And maybe let's delete this one. Sign up, maybe. And then, of course, don't forget to click save. Now, this is, I believe, the home page. Basically, here you can actually go back like so and choose the page you want to edit. So, for example, a home page, and then you can add the blog, for example. Now, the page for this is not home page. Products by attribute, just some pages, single posts, and many more. So like a checkout page, if you're selling some products. Now to edit the photos, you just basically just click on the photo and replace it. Now you can also edit button, what is written on it. So sign up now. Add the information you like here. Again, replace the photos, and actually you can move them like so. As you can see, this is a specific column block. Now, if you want to add a specific page here, you can do this here. Just draft a new page right like so, add a title and create a new draft, edit it and save it, and that's it. Now, don't forget to, if you are selling some products, add a refund and returns policy. As I chose AI to create my website, they already did some of the work, but of course we would need to edit everything. Now the contact page, get in touch with us. So you can also add your information here, how to contact you, about what are you, and so on and so forth. And also, of course, add some reviews, FAQ, and so on. So this is how it works. I would really suggest you to create a website with AI help, because it's really then easy to just edit everything and not to start from scratch. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.